Welcome! Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you know when our videos go live. But with that being said, let's get started. The first thing I'd like to see you do is draw on a nice tall triangle. That's going to become our LLAMACORN's horn. Round out the bottom edges and bring it back up. Okay, for our next step, we're going to round the ears and bring them down, trying to keep the thickness about the same. Then we'll go in and add the inside of the ear. We'll be painting that later. Looking great, guys. Now we're just going to add the stripes to the horn. Now it's time to start our sunglasses. So instead of just making a straight line across, we want it to dip a little bit in the middle. Do you see that? Let's go ahead and add on two little lines, and we're going to build in the rest of the sunglasses. Bring it down, up and over, and back up again. And it's always good to practice on a separate piece of paper if you don't feel confident on the first go. Just a quick tip, you could always start with the nose piece, that big arch, and then work your way in either direction. That might make drawing on the sunglasses a little easier. And with that, we already have one sunglass lens drawn on. Try your best to match the shape on both sides. It's sort of like a square and a triangle with rounded edges. Just try your best. Oh, and don't forget the two little bits on either side of the glasses. And of course, we can't forget the reflection. Time for the snout. So basically, we're going to do two little humps and bring it down. Do you see how I made it a little bit wider on the bottom? Not much, but just a little. And now a stretched out heart, and that'll make for the perfect nostrils. Bring it down to make a J and a backwards J, and look at that, we're done already. Time to add on our LLAMACORN's fluff. So as we work on either side of the face, we're going to finish that off before we start the neck. Just make the little humps any way you want. They can be any different sizes. Not any, all different sizes. That's what I meant. Okay, time to bling out our unicorn. I'm going to give her a pearl necklace and hang a peace sign from it. What do you think you guys want to do? You can make it up however you want. Time for our rainbow. I'm going to build in 8 stripes for mine because I want to add in extra colors. I'm going to go with multiple pinks, multiple blues, and just a few other hues. So it's up to you however you want to make your rainbow. Make it unique. Now I'm just going to add on a couple of clouds just to finish off the rainbow. I think this llama deserves a sun just as cool as him, so let's add on some sunglasses for him as well. Don't forget that little dip in the middle. And a crooked little smile. We're really starting to get there, guys, but I have a few more details I want to add on. Let's decorate the background. I wanted to do something kind of silly with mine, so I wanted it to look like it was raining tacos, because we all know llamas love tacos, right? Try your best with the taco shape. I'll zoom in on the next one as well. Now let's add on a couple stars, hearts, some more raining tacos, and we'll be ready to paint. Just follow along the best you can. And if mine is too silly for you, you can make it up yourself. Add what you like. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up from here. I'm gonna zoom till the next taco, show you how that one's drawn, and speed it to the end of the video. Topping time. And remember guys, if you're having fun, subscribe to our channel. We'll have new videos coming out every Wednesday and Saturday. All right, I think we're really starting to look filled up now. It looks great. This is one busy painting. Let's start with our taco shells. While you guys are painting today, I have some fun facts about llamas and tacos and even rainbows. So keep listening out for those. I'll be right back. Okay, it looks like we're switching brushes. If you have a smaller one on hand, I think it'll come in handy. We're going to work on some of our smaller details for right now, and even start building in the rainbow. Take your time, guys, stay inside your lines the best you can, and have fun! Alright, we're kicking things up into high gear around here and speeding the video up a little bit. If you need to pause, rewind, feel free to do that. I'll be here with our facts. Did you know a baby llama is called a cría? That's Spanish for baby. Do you remember what it's called? Yeah, a cría. Don't forget to roll your R's. Llamas are very smart and make excellent guards for smaller animals, like sheep and goats. Isn't that interesting? A llama as your guard dog? I'll take one. Just want to check in on your painting. You guys are doing great. I love how this is starting to come together. It's so colorful. It reminds me of Lisa Frank. Like camels, llamas stick out their tongue or spit when they're annoyed. How funny is that? And did you know that when they communicate by humming? What did I just say? I said, you're awesome. Time to zoom out just a little bit. I just wanted to see our peace sign necklace. All right, let's fill it in. Okay, time to decorate our tacos. Or not decorate, but build them. We're gonna put lettuce and tomato and cheese in them. I'll zoom in on one when it's finished so you can see it. All I did was dab my brush up and down with the different colors. Horn time! Glasses. What color are you gonna choose? I love orange, ever since I was a little girl. And finally, time for our background. I'm gonna paint mine blue for a nice blue sky. But you can choose whatever color you guys want. It's kind of like a magical land, isn't it? I'm gonna start at the stop? I'm gonna start at the top. Just so it's easier for me to reach, I spun it around. Remember, you can move your painting to make it easier for yourself. Wow, I had no idea I was such a fast painter. Just kidding. It's set to go 20 times faster than I was painting. Awesome, what do you guys think? I love how the background turned out, but now it's time to outline. This is my absolute favorite part of the painting. It might take a while, but it's so worth it. Outlining makes your painting pop, I promise. So take your time, go slow and steady, and outline. But more importantly, have fun. Okay, time to speed it up around here again. I have a few more fun facts, and let's get started. Did you know llama poop doesn't smell? And many llama farmers call them llama beans. Get it? Like lima beans? So silly. Alright, I have one last fun fact about llamas. If you ever need to tell the difference between a llama and an alpaca, llamas are generally twice the size. Wow, that's a big difference. Oh, and as promised, I do have a fact about rainbows. Did you know that rainbows aren't arches like the way they are in our painting? They're actually full circles. But the only way to see it as a full circle is you have to be high in the sky, flying above the rainbow. And as we finish up our tacos, one last fact. Where do you think the most tacos are eaten? If you guessed Mexico, you're correct. But if you guessed United States for the second, you'd be wrong. It's actually Norway. Can you believe that? Wow guys, I had the most amazing time painting with you today. I hope you love your silly llama, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our other platforms.